Or
Yeah.
not a passenger.
No.
Okay. They are sending the foods like that and other things.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a long train also.
Oh, it's huge. Yeah. That's BC is the main shipping port, right?
Oh, yeah.
From
Okay.
Asia everywhere.
Everywhere. Why they has not the same color?
Because it's all different goods on it.
Oh, okay.
Probably different companies. And
Oh, wait. We're gonna do this one.
that's the end of it.
Mm. And the flowers, oh, our plants. Nice to stay here, but it's so peaceful.
Yeah.
You cannot go out, no party.
Yeah. Do you find it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.